What up, YouTube? How we doing? We're gonna go make some cookies. We just ended a live stream right now. Appreciate everybody that watches. You guys are fucking dope. And yeah, we got a recipe from Emily that we're gonna make. Peanut butter cookies. Not gonna lie, the recipe, a little sus. But let's go do it. Alright, let's make these cookies. I don't know about this recipe. It seems suspect. Smells good though. It smells like peanut butter. Before. Now you hold on a second. This actually looks like it could work. Hold on. Let's get in the baking sheet. The oven is preheated. Let's find out what happens. Butter. Like we got them all on there. Bowl's pretty clean. Look at these. Let's see, Emily. Let's see what you get. At 420 for 10 minutes. Oh shit. Nice. This rosin pin has lasted me a while too. It's probably been like 3 months. I did have a couple of them though. Still tastes great. Cheers, guys. Oh man. Oh, they actually look insane. What the hell? Emily, you were not trolling. Let's see if these taste good though. They look perfect. What the fuck? They look perfect. Oh, we have to try these. Hold on.
Just holding my belly.
That is just, yeah, it's a little one. Sugar, peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 1 egg. Emily's mom's recipe. What do we think?
Hot. That's pretty good.
Alright, we'll get it when it's cooled down too. We'll get it warm and we'll let it cool down a little bit.
I feel like it would be good to put a little bit of those dates in it.
Alright, taste test right here. Pretty good. Pretty good. Very sweet, obviously. Cheers. Shout out to Emily. Good recipe. I'd make it again. Maybe I'd go 3/4 of a cup sugar and like 1.5 cup peanut butter. Maybe. I don't know. Those cookies were good. Again, thank you, Emily, for the recipe. I was surprised that they actually worked. It's the next day. What we're doing today is I'm going to edit Janet's video, and then I'm headed to Pine Park. I believe the GOAT Hex is in town, so we're going to go see Optic Hex, hopefully. And then we're going to film with my boy Eric Kahn, see the dude Josefo, shoot another Pine Park After Dark. If you don't know what Pine Park After Dark is, search it on YouTube. It's a podcast. We're on Spotify as well. If you want to just listen to the audio version while you're driving or something. Let's edit this video. Let's get some dabs in. Let's go to work. Come on. All right, we're locked in, man. Adobe. If you guys don't know, my wife has a YouTube channel as well. She does vlogs as well as like mom videos because she's having the baby, and then she does her art as well because she makes cool ass rugs. Let's edit this video. Edit is complete. It's exporting now. Let's go. We're gonna get an early stream in, and then we're going to Pine Park, man. Fuck yeah, let's take some dabs. Time to go. All right, we are pulling up to drop off the sweaters right now, and I'm gonna pick them up on Friday. Got the Hash Is My Hobby merch dropping, baby. Let's go. They're about to get embroidered, man. Shout out to the dude right here. We're about to drop them off too. Shout out Frank. You're amazing. We appreciate you. And let's get these things printed, man. Let's rock. We got mushroom sponsors today on the show. We just got to the studio, guys. We're gonna take a couple dabs with the man himself, Josefo. Hang out a little bit until Eric gets here. We got the goat over there. Look at him. Look at him in the cut. Yeah, buddy. Check out these guys, man. You guys remember these guys, right? Galaxy Treats. They were cool people. Don't mind if I do. What up?
You guys enjoy the video, you know what to do, man. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.